Hi, I'm Karen, and we're here with a new video about artificial intelligence. I gave Melo the exact same musical idea in three completely different ways. First, I used a simple text prompt, then a melody I hummed myself. And finally, I even tried using a detailed image. The results don't resemble each other. So today we're going to find out which type of input creates the best hook, the most intense emotion, and the biggest surprise. Melo is sponsoring this challenge, but each score is based on the actual songs generated during this recording. All of the rounds use the same concept, Midnight Drive, which is an atmospheric and cinematic electronic song about driving through a vibrant neon city after finally deciding to start a brand new life. I'll rate each result from 1 to 10 in 4 categories: hook, emotion, control, and surprise, and the winner won't be decided until all 3 tracks are finished. So here we have Melo, here we have the artificial intelligence, which is absolutely insane. It's super cool, and we have different options, okay? Since we're going to start with text to song, this is the fastest method. I describe a story, the atmosphere, and the structure, but I don't provide the melody or each instrument. That gives the AI more freedom, which can lead to surprises or make it stray from the exact idea we have in mind. To put it simply, we're going to instruct the AI model that we want a cinematic electronic song about the experience of cruising through a neon city at midnight, after having at last made the firm decision to start over. Emotional verses, a confident chorus, and a powerful final build-up. That's what we're asking for. So let's hit create. Well, we can choose if we want random, male, female, okay? I'm going to choose female, I don't know why, and pure instrument. All right, let's hit create, okay? We're going to hit create and see what happens. Let's see what awaits us, what it gives us. Wow, it looks like this has already been created. Let us take a look. For now, it seems to me, I can't believe it. I'm amazed. I am absolutely amazed. If you were to play this track for me right now, wow. Honestly, if you put this incredible song on the current top 40 radio list, it would fit in there just perfectly. Incredible. Let's rate it. Let's start giving scores. As for the overall hook, I'm going to assign it a score of 8. I have to say, the raw emotion really gave me intense goosebumps, you know? I'd give it a solid 9. The control seems spectacular to me, a 10. And for surprise, another 10. It surprised me in an amazing way. An incredible track that was just created for us. After the lyrics, we're going to something incredible, Karen. Something incredible. Let's hum. This round gives me a different kind of control. I don't write lyrics or arrange the instruments, but I do provide the AI with the melodic seed. The question is whether Melo will preserve the identity of my humming when turning it into a full cinematic electronic song. Let's give it a try and see what I'm capable of. Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. Titu titu. Titu titu. Titu titu. Titu titu. Oh my, after this? Titu titu. Titu titu. Titu titu. Titu titu. All done, Calisto. I think it's spectacular, right? What do you all think? What do you all think? Let's see. Enter is style. We have to choose a style or something, right? We're going to make it a girl too, okay? And Let's create, right? All right, that's it. What does it matter, right? Let's go for it. Create? We have creation, friends. We have creation. Let's see what it has created. Wow. With what I did, it came up with this, Chiron. Just look at what I've done here. Take a look at this or even check this out. Wow. I think it's spectacular. I think it's spectacular. Let's see. In this case, the main musical idea comes from me. I mean, from what I gave it to what it made, I think it's spectacular. The hook is it's nice, okay? It's nice. We're going to give it a 7. Then for emotion, I'm going to give it another 7, okay? For control, let's give it an 8. And for surprise, for me, it's a 10, Gibrons. I mean, for me, it really surprised me. What do you want me to say? What this wonderful AI has done seemed crazy to me. Now it's time for something hard, really hard, okay? We're going to give it an image, and with that image, okay? This is the third test. We remove the written story and the melody. I'm only giving Melo the visual version of Midnight Impulse. The colors, the composition, and the atmosphere now become the prompt, while I keep a general genre similar to the previous rounds. Let's upload the image. Here it is. And well, let's see. Let's see what happens. I'm going to tell it to make it a girl again, okay? And let's hit create. Let it work its magic, which it's been doing so far. So let's see what awaits us, right? Let's create. Well, it looks like we've got some magic already. Looks like we've got magic. Let's listen to it, because as I said, this method gives me less control over the exact message, but it can create the most unexpected soundtrack. So let's see. I like it. Let's go. Wow. Oh, yeah. Honestly, I mean, I didn't know what it was gonna do, and it's creating this craziness from an image. I love it. I really love it, you know? For excitement, I'm gonna give it an 8. For catchiness, maybe a 7. Control, a 9. And surprise, it totally surprised me, a 10. You guys can also rate it in the comments, okay? Let's see a bit more. Wow, I think it's spectacular, really. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it's really awesome. Here, it created another one which is similar. It has its own hook too, you know? Brutal, Gibrons. The score is the one I mentioned. Right now, I really want to incorporate and utilize one of my absolute favorite musical tracks from this specific section in an upcoming AI video production project for YouTube and create a very straightforward and efficient step-by-step workflow for it. I think it would be very useful to demonstrate in which context you can actually use the generated music, such as, for example, background music for vlogs, a source of inspiration for music producers, or content creation for accounts with AI-generated videos. I think that after showing you this final result and the practical applications we can have, we can return to the original idea of asking you to evaluate and compare the 3 tracks. Now I want you to forget for a moment how each track was created. Which one sounds like the most powerful song on its own, and which one fits best with the original concept of Neon City? Let's check it out because honestly, this is pure spectacle. This part, Gabrons, I find it spectacular. Wow. Brutal, brutal. Let's go for the second one. This one is more chill. This one has its own vibe. More neon, maybe? I don't know. And what about the last one? That tiny little top bit right there at the very beginning. And, well, I honestly think it's really incredibly cool too. You know what I mean? It's just such a neat detail. Watch out, here it comes. Ba 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 ba. It's got its own rhythm. Wow, 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 wow. Unbelievable. The winner is definitely the text one. Yes, the text. The winner is the text one. Gibrons. Honestly, what else do you want me to say about this? With the score, for me, okay? 37 out of 40. And for me, it wins, simply because I think it's a spectacular song. It gives me goosebumps, and I wouldn't stop listening to it. So, wow. Impressive. You can't say it doesn't. Honestly, Gabrons, I'm telling you, if you put it on the top 40 list, I'd eat it up. And I'd eat it up. What this AI has done is incredible. I love it. But achieving a victory doesn't necessarily mean that the very first result you get is completely finished. The only major thing that is currently holding this track back is really being able to refine and enhance the overall quality without changing the core hook or the raw emotion that made it win in the first place. So we could improve it, for example, by making an extended version, a sample, a vocal separation, or a track separation. I would make an extended version. So if you all agree, let's make this extended version and hit create. Let's see what happens. Attention, we've already got a creation. Watch out, huh? That's it. I don't want anything else. It's turned out perfect. Now that's it, huh? Wow! I'm blown away. This is the practical conclusion. Use text to song when you have a concept and want the AI to develop the entire composition. Use hum mode when the melody you have in your head is the most important part. Use image to music when the visual environment is already the strongest creative reference. There is no universally best input. Text provides speed, humming provides melodic authorship, and images provide visual inspiration. You can try Melo through the link in the description. Take an original idea and try it out with text, humming, and image. Then tell me if your winner matches mine. And if you want a second challenge, I can hum the same melody and transform it into 3 completely different genres. Leave a like, it really helps me out. Comment as I mentioned, subscribe, and hit the bell. And you know, I'm Cabron, and I'm here to serve you.